Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
One mother gives her son proof of boundless love every day. For him, she is ready for the greatest sacrifice. Learn the story of an elderly woman who carries her adult child on her hands every day. Almost every parent sometimes complains about his or her child. This is mainly the case when a beloved son or daughter shows disobedience or there is a clear deterioration in school grades. One mother, however, not paying attention to anything, is ready for huge sacrifice for her only child every day. Her attitude can be a perfect example for each of us. The older woman in the story gave birth to her first and only child at the age of only 18 years. At that time, she had to find herself in the new situation completely alone because after the disclosure of pregnancy, both her partner and her family left her. The brave mother, however, never gave up and decided to take care of her son alone. At that time, she didn't know how many difficult experiences awaited her in her adult life. Olga Boskovic, from the Serbian village of Music, gave her son the name Predrag. Together they lived in a small hut, which she received from her parents. The young mother decided to do everything to provide the little boy with the best life. As it turns out, a woman for her beloved son is ready for the biggest sacrifices. Every day for 59 years, he was worn it on his back. Although the man has long been an adult, he still sees him as a little boy who needs to be surrounded by great motherly love. Senior devoted her whole life to the man, had the best conditions. Although Predrag does everything it can to help its mother, the biggest worry for a woman is what she'll do when she runs out. Why does he carry his adult son every day? Olga carries her adult child on her back every day because Predrag is disabled. When her son was still young, they reached school every day so that the boy had an education. Although the 70-year-old does not hide that she is getting harder every year, she has not agreed to accept a wheelchair to this day. An adult man would not like to sit idly, which is why he uses his good hands to make various types of craft products. Unfortunately, the woman is very worried whether her son will have enough livelihood when he leaves. He hopes that the man will not be left alone.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.